one single component. That's all you need to build a page like this with the new component features in Webflow. I'm adding a page which already has my footer and header. Then I'll add in our section component. So let's drag in some buttons here. We want the primary button on the left, and let's make this other button on the right a secondary CTA. Let's add some features below about our offering. And yes, technically we're using 3 components here. But before you come at me in the comments, the other 2 are components within components, and saying, hey, we only need 3 components to build this page would have made a terrible intro. So back to it. I can copy this component for the features section and use a variant that adjusts the layout, heading, and copy styling automatically. I only want one CTA here, and let's make it a secondary. We don't need any offering details, so we can remove those. The next section is the same, but flipped, and we can use a variant to get to that point as well. And the final section is the same as the first, so let's copy and paste again. Now we've got our page outline. The final step is editing the copy in the different cards, naming the CTAs, and selecting the right images for each section. And just like that, using page templates, page slots, component style variants, component slots, and component properties together, you can quickly build a page with one component, even if, and especially if, you're not a designer. Now, I'd love to know in the comments, how are you using components in your builds?